sin gomas, pero es que a él le gusta. Hey you guys, we're back again another day. Today we're gonna do something different. We want to work in my personal truck. We're not gonna fix it the whole way for now. I only want to get the harmonic balancer out because I have to buy a puller for that. I want to make sure that it works. But yeah, this truck I have a couple stuff that I need to do and to get it running back again. It's been a while. It was sitting down in here. It's a 4.6. We have a Grand Marquis engine, and yeah, I changed the engine. This is a different one. It's not the one the truck have. When I bought it, the engine was a little bit messed up because they run it with water and it was all messed up in the inside. Let me clean the camera away. I hope it's better. But yeah, the engine was bad. It was eating the water, coolant, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I have the timing chain kit. When I have the engine out, they was pushing me to finish it because I let the truck sitting down and never do nothing with. But yeah, for now, what I want to start with, get the harmonics balancer out, and then if I have time I keep going. But yeah, for now I want to get that out. Do is get this out, make sure that I have it already out, and yeah, after that is getting this one out, that one out, and then the two on the bottom, the two in the oil pan, and the one in front right here in this side. And we have the valve cover out, and then the new water pump. When I put the engine back in, this engine have a little bit of love. But yeah, we're gonna keep going and let's see what happens. Ahora vamos a darle duro, vamos a seguir y vamos por ahí para abajo, mi gente. It's out. All right, we already got this puppy out. Ya sacamos la bestia esta. Ahora pues a seguir con el gesto. Todavía falta un montón. Y pues sí, nada, ahora tratar de ver si la junta allá abajo del cráneo se rompe y podemos reusarla y meterle un poco de pega. Si no, vamos a necesitar reemplazarla y vamos a tener que bajar el pan completo, Ahí tenemos que subir al motor. Ese no es tan chistoso. But yeah, we already get the puppy out. It wasn't that hard, but we had to figure it out some stuff to get it out. It wasn't that easy like I was hoping. We don't have too much room. I'm happy that I get my 3/8 gun. Without this guy, I was not able to get it out. But yeah, big shout to the person that told me that I lose my money buying this. It worked perfectly. Thank you for that. You're the reason that I'm getting out this today. I'm not supposed to be working today here. But yeah, thank you for that. Big shout to you. Hey you guys, happy Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Estamos aquí en el carro. Hicimos bastante, no pudimos hacer mucho en el carro. We cannot do everything that we want. Not everything get done, but we don't have enough time, and we keep finding more and more stuff. But we're trying to get it going, and after everything like the harmonic balancer is cracked. I don't want to put that because it's going to create more vibration in the engine, and one of the main caps probably can go wrong because the vibration is going to be end up in the harmonic like in the whole shaft in there, and then the main bearing can go wrong, and all that vibration, it's not going to create more horsepower, it's going to do less, and we don't want that. But yeah, for now we're going to try to get all the parts that we need, and then we keep going. That's the video before this. We're like fixing my truck. En el video anterior estábamos arreglando el truck y todo esto. Ese truck yo lo tengo hace tiempo, no lo había bregado porque pues, no había sacado tiempo para él, pero vamos a tratar de hacer el video con él. Ese es el truck mío uso personal, vamos a tratar de echarlo a coger. Este pues es lo del video, el canal y todo, pero aquel es el truck de ir a trabajar todos los días y todo. Felicidades a todo el mundo en el día de Navidad. Show big shout for everybody, and now in Christmas. I hope that everybody's with the family, good times, love, share, all the good stuff. Espero que todo el mundo tenga regalo, que todo el mundo comparta, que esté con la familia, que estén felices. Merry Christmas to everybody. Share and love.